Certainly, pavlova is an exquisite meringue dessert that's crisp on the outside, soft and airy on the inside, and topped with fresh fruits and whipped cream. Here's a step-by-step recipe for you. Ingredients: 4 large egg whites, 1 cup white sugar, 2 teaspoons cornstarch, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 pint heavy cream, 6 kiwi fruits, peeled and sliced. Instructions: preheat the oven to 300 degrees F, 150 degrees C. Make the meringue. Beat the egg whites and sugar until stiff peaks form. Fold in cornstarch, vanilla extract, and lemon juice. Spoon the meringue onto a prepared baking sheet, shaping it into a round base. Bake the meringue for about 1 hour or until it's dry and sounds hollow when tapped. Make the whipped cream. Beat the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Assemble the pavlova. Fill the meringue with whipped cream. Top with kiwi slices. Serve immediately and enjoy. Remember, pavlova is named after Russian ballerina Anna Pavlova and is a delightful dessert that's sure to impress. Certainly, pavlova is a delightful dessert that's crisp on the outside, soft and marshmallow-like on the inside. While it's originally from New Zealand, it has become popular worldwide. Here's a French-style pavlova recipe for you. French-style pavlova recipe. Ingredients: 4 large egg whites, 1 cup superfine sugar, castor sugar, 1 teaspoon white vinegar or lemon juice, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, fresh fruits such as berries, kiwi, or passion fruit for topping, whipped cream for serving. Instructions: preheat your oven to 300 degrees F, 150 degrees C. Whip the egg whites in a clean, dry bowl. Beat the egg whites until soft peaks form. Gradually add the sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to beat. Beat until the meringue is glossy and stiff peaks form. Add flavor and stability. Gently fold in the vinegar or lemon juice, cornstarch, and vanilla extract. Shape the pavlova. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Spoon the meringue onto the paper, creating a round shape with a slight well in the center. Bake. Place the pavlova in the preheated oven. Bake for about 1 hour or until the outside is dry and crisp. Turn off the oven and let the pavlova cool inside, with the oven door slightly ajar. Assemble. Once cooled, transfer the pavlova to a serving plate. Fill the center with whipped cream. Top with fresh fruits of your choice. Serve immediately and enjoy your French-style pavlova.